All right, so there's one more thing we need to do, right? I need to get the salad together, right? It's a cucumber salad, right? Little radish in there, little razzle dazzle. You know, we're gonna be using our reduced vinegars. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Stay tuned. Let's put this together. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so for the salad, we're gonna need some cheese, right? Grape tomatoes, cucumbers, right? That I've sliced up and halved, radishes that are thinly sliced, and here we have a mix of both romaine and red leaf lettuce, right? Ketchup, right? A little mayo, and our vinaigrette. So we have our balsamic vinaigrette and our red wine vinaigrette. We're gonna have those. Okay, so let's get this working. First thing we're gonna do is get our mayonnaise and ketchup ready. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to make just a basic sauce. Mayo, a couple tablespoons of mayo. Okay, you have to know your audience, so keep that in mind. And about a tablespoon of ketchup. Let's get this mixed in. Make a nice little sauce. Really basic, see that? Real easy. Okay, now let's start plating up, all right? Just mix up a little bit. And we're gonna put our mayo ketchup on the plate, right? Dollop it on there. And then spread it. See that? Just spread it. Spread it. All right? And now let's add our salad. And again, our salad is the red leaf lettuce and our romaine. Okay, so let's get that on there. All right, good to go. Add some cucumbers on it. Of course, they're strategically placed. Cucumbers. Add our radishes. Okay. Now we're going to add some tomatoes. Oh, that fell. Let's get that back up there. Okay. Add a little bit of cheese across the top. Let that look good. All right. And now we're going to add our vinaigrette. So our reduced sauce. Right, so let's put a little here, a little there, and this is the balsamic. Okay, now let's get the red wine, put that in the middle. Yep, in between. Right? And now what I forgot to mention, bacon bits. Let me get those. I also forgot the croutons, but I'm gonna add the croutons right here now too as well. A little bacon bits on it. All right. Add some croutons. Croutons on there. And there we have it. Right? I mean, it's you know, it's big, right? It's a big salad, but you know what? It'll fill your appetite up. Get you ready. All right, so here's our quick salad we put together. Again, if you like this, give me a like, share, comment. Definitely comment, especially if you try this. I want to know what you think. Almost forgot the shrimp. The peanut gallery wanted shrimp, so let's put some shrimp on here. And there we go. Get the shrimp on it. This is Shrashira, and I'm out.